Welcome. Today I will show you how to dispute an American Express account on your Experian credit report, step by step. First, you need a copy of your Experian credit report. Go to annualsiraditreport.com to access your free weekly report, or sign up for a free account directly at Experian.com. Once you are in, pull your full Experian report and scroll through the Accounts section until you find the American Express entry. Look carefully at the details. Check the account status, balance, payment history, and date opened. Any incorrect information here can lower your credit score, so flag any errors you see. Now, to file the dispute, go to Experian.com and click the dispute link at the top of the page. You will be asked to create or log into your Experian account. Select the American Express account you want to dispute, then choose the specific item that is wrong, for example, late payment, wrong balance, or account not yours. Next, write a clear, concise explanation of why the information is incorrect. Be specific. Then upload supporting documents like bank statements, canceled checks, payoff letters, or any correspondence from American Express that proves your case. After you submit, Experian will investigate. By law, they must complete the investigation within 30 days. During that time, they will contact American Express and review your evidence. If they find the information is wrong, IT will be corrected or removed from your report. If it is verified as accurate, IT will stay, but you can add a statement of dispute to your file. That is it. Check your Experian report regularly, and do not wait to dispute errors. Accurate credit reporting is your right, and the process is straightforward when you know the steps. Good luck.